In the coastal town of Seal Harbor, young Lila finds a unique sea sock by the sea, sparking her curiosity. She and her best friend Eli discover a golden key on an enchanted bench that grants wishes. This key leads them on an adventure to uncover a hidden treasure in a cave, believed to be left by a legendary seafarer. Throughout the summer, Lila and Eli enjoy exploring and savoring delicious seafood, strengthening their friendship. They find a final clue in a journal that takes them to a hidden island, where they find a pearl held by a statue of the seafarer. The pearl symbolizes their past discoveries and future adventures. The enchanted bench and the sea sock remain their cherished secrets, reminding them of the magic that lies beyond the tides.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. How many?
On.
Right this way. Please have a seat. Your waiter will be with you in a moment.
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.